scrappers back from my pickup. So the trunk is full. And then my second pickup was a box full of cell phones and some wires. And a monitor in my second one, and my first one, the back seat is full. It goes clear over to there, the other side. And then the passenger seat is full. I'm gonna get this sorted out and then I'll bring you back and show you. Hey YouTube Scrappers back. I got everything taken out of the car. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 microwaves, a heater, that's a paper shredder, that's a Keurig, another Keurig, a fan, deep fryer, toaster oven, and I think an ice machine. And I'll show you some of the neat things that I found. That's not neat, but anyway, that's some more plastic that I gotta take the good with the bad, or the bad with the good, whatever you want to look at it. Beautiful day out today, sunny. Trailer should be here by supper time. You start loading that, so. The other thing that I got is the little Del Monte here. And then I got, I think I already had 3 of those there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 battery backups. And if I come over here, calculator, a heater, 2 vacuums, and then 8 milk crates that they were getting rid of. Wondering if I wanted them, and I'm like, yeah, I will. So now the cool stuff. DeWalt drill. I can get it to focus. Come on. Made in the USA. Not sure if it works. I'm told that it works. Then I got another one with a charger and a couple batteries. And it says that one battery doesn't work, but we all know how to fix those now. A whole whack of wires. Then this gauge. Mason Alien, something like that. Gauge. Kind of neat to take apart. And then, not sure what this is. So I can get the wire off. Let's turn it around here. Looks like for editing film. Editor viewer TRI-8 Cortina. That looks kind of neat. Take some pictures of those. So anyway, that's my pickups. I'm gonna end it here. Starting to get paths made. Look at that floor. Oh. All right. Like, subscribe, share. Look at this. I can walk all the way around here. I'm gonna walk over here. This great big box full of plugs. Huh. I wonder how many balls that will make. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Talk to you later. I'm back. Forgot to show you one thing. One of my pickups today. Another box full of cell phones. And one tablet. Whoops. Now it's see you later.